This video reviews Kessler Baking Studio's traditional, pecan, and oatmeal chocolate toffee shortbreads. Kessler Baking Studio is located in Dallas, Texas. The shortbreads all arrived in excellent condition with not a single one broken or damaged. Each shortbread is individually wrapped. The shortbreads do not have any added preservatives, artificial flavors, or colors. For this review, each of the shortbreads was eaten several times. The traditional shortbread cookie is made with wheat flour, butter, sugar, eggs, and salt. It has the shape of a house. The traditional house-shaped shortbreads are firm but easily chewable. They have a crumbly texture. They have a sweetness from the sugar. It doesn't seem as sweet as a typical sugar cookie. You also can taste the butter in the cookie. It gives the cookie a great buttery taste. There also seems to be a taste of vanilla which is not listed as an ingredient in this shortbread. The traditional shortbread has a great taste and a great texture. The oat chocolate toffee shortbread is made with flour, butter, sugar, rolled oats, semi-sweet chocolate chips, toffee, eggs, vanilla and salt. The chocolate chips and toffee can be easily seen in the shortbreads. The shape of it is of a traditional three-tier wedding cake. This shortbread seems softer than the traditional. You still get the sweetness of the traditional. You can also taste the chocolate chips. They have a milk chocolate taste. You can see the toffee in the shortbread. The rolled oats and toffee tastes are less obvious but they do alter the shortbread's flavor. It does not have the buttery taste of the traditional. Overall, it is delicious. The pecan shortbread is made with flour, butter, sugar, pecans, eggs, vanilla extract and salt. The Texas-shaped shortbread has specks of pecan throughout with one large pecan where Dallas would be on a map. The cookie is similar to the traditional but has pecans. It has a similar texture to the traditional shortbread. Even though there are not a lot of pecan bits in the shortbread, you get the taste of pecans in the cookie. The main taste is of the shortbread but with a strong pecan flavoring. The pecan contrasts well with the sugar, making the taste slightly less sweet. The net effect on the shortbread is that it seems to have less buttery flavor. It is a great tasting shortbread. Kessler Baking Studio offers a plethora of flavored shortbreads which all are delicious.